We'll guide you through how to create a PDF with Adobe Acrobat. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Adobe Acrobat. And so there are different ways in which you can go and create a PDF, and we're going to guide you through the different options you've got. So make sure you watch this full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. So let's go and get started with this. So come into Adobe Acrobat. As you can see, I already have it open. It is important to note that you do need to go and have the Pro version, which is the paid subscription. Then what we need to do is you can come to the top left and you can go and find the option for Create. Alternatively, in Suggested Tools, you can press All Tools and find Create a PDF. As you can see, we can go and come into Create and press Open on Create a PDF or search for it at the top. I'll just press Create at the top though, and this opens up. So you've got some different options here, and we're going to run you through them. So first of all, you can go and create a PDF from a single file. So you can go and choose from docx and these different formats. You can check that there, or you can just go and try it. So press select the file and your file explorer will open. You can then choose what you want to create a PDF from. So let's go and say I wanted to create it from an image. I could select this here and press open. There it is. You can press create and it will then go and show you it here. And we've now made it into a PDF, and we can go and save this by pressing Control S on our keyboard. We can then go and put it on our desktop. I'll just name it icon.pdf, and that's it. You can then go onto our desktop and we're going to go and see it there. So that's the first way it can be done. Next, you can go and use multiple files. So you can go and create a single PDF from multiple files. Similar to the single file, you can select the option whether it's create multiple PDF files at the same time or creating a PDF portfolio. We'll do the combine though. You can press next and press add files. You could go and make multiple PDFs into a single PDF or choose images, etc. So that is really convenient to be able to do. Let's come back to the create page. You can come over to PDF spaces and create that there. You can create a PDF with a scanner, so we can go and select the scanner and we could scan something in and create a PDF with that. You can go and actually add in a web page, so you can go and paste in a URL or select a file, and we can go and create a PDF from that, which is quite cool. Let's go and say, as an example, we just went and typed in google.com. We can then go and press create, and it's then going to go and convert it, and we can go and see the outcome it's going to go and give. As you can see, there it is. And then once again, to save it, press Control S, and we can then go and choose we want to go and save it. Next, what you can do is you can also go and create a PDF from content stored on your clipboard. So you could go and have an image copied, and we could then go and use that there. So that's how it can be done, and text as well. And then you've got blank page. So blank page gives you the most customizability really. So with that selected, you can press create. And then what you can do is press edit in the top left. And then we could get started. So you can come into add content and we could press text. And then what you can do is you can go and draw a text box like so. Over to the left here, we could go and choose the font. Let's go and say I wanted Arial, and I'll make it bold. And I could go and make it a bit bigger, the size of the font as well. You go and get the idea. And we can click, hold and drag to go and adjust it where you want it to go and be. Then you can also go and add in an image, header and footer. And we go and press more, and you can see these different things we could add in. I could press image and press choose image. You could generate one there as well. I could select the GuideRealm icon. I could then click where I want it, like that. And I'll then go and use the corner points by clicking, holding and dragging, and we can go and resize it. And I'll go and drag it where you want it to be. And you could go and crop it. I could go and rotate it, delete it. And I could also go and export the selected image as well. So you've got those different things there. You can also go and add these different things as well. And then when you're ready and you finish this, what you can do is go and press Control S, and we can then go and choose when to save it. I could put it on my desktop. I could go and name this created, and I'll go and press save. And then I can come out of here and we're going to go and see it here, and you can open it up, and that is the PDF.